When you see the driving stabilization warning in your BMW X3 or actually any other BMW, it's almost always connected with two culprits: the ABS sensors, also called wheel speed sensors, or the steering angle sensor. The steering angle sensor in BMW cars is the part of the expensive connection unit called SZL module, and it may get dirty and require cleaning, but before you disassemble anything, you should try resetting the warnings. First of all, I would see if you have the ABS warning light. If you do, this is most likely the dead sensor on one of the wheels, which can be identified by any good scanner. Fortunately, it's an easy repair that won't take a lot of money out of your pocket. Secondly, a good scanner can recalibrate your steering angle sensor, and it's a pretty straightforward task any independent mechanic can do for like 10 minutes. And thirdly, there is a slight chance that a low or dying 12-volt battery will cause this warning to pop up as a glitch, so checking the battery with a load tester would be a nice idea prior to paying money for inspection and repairs. If nothing helps, you will need a good BMW compatible scanner to get the codes out of various modules. This will significantly narrow down the problem and you will be able to locate the culprit. But if you eventually get down to the steering angle sensor, Google more about cleaning it, since replacing the SZL module will cost you north of $1,000 or euros, while trying to clean that sensor will only cost you labor to take off the steering wheel.